What's up, guys? In today's video, we will be learning about how to read a text file. So before we get started in today's video, as always, please subscribe and hit the like button as we're nearing 50 subscribers. And let's get right into the video. So first, we have to create a text file. So what you can do is you can hit the plus new file button, and then we can just name it file. And then the key thing to tell the computer that it's a text file is you have to add the .txt, and then you can hit enter. So we got a text file. So we can put some stuff inside of the text file. So we can say Python, we can say programming, and then we can say fun and easy. So we can save our text file now, and we can go back to our normal Python file that we have. And now we're gonna have to first tell the computer what file that we're gonna open. So we can say file equals open, and then we have to put parentheses, and then quotations, and then we have to put our file name. So here it is file.txt, and then we're gonna tell the computer we want to read from the text file. So we have to put a comma here, quotations, and then put an R for read. Now, we gotta print this out. So here we can do f, which is just any variable you can choose, equals file dot read lines, and then put parentheses. And then now we need to print this out. So we can append everything to a list and print out the list. So here we can say new list, or we can say file list here, and we can make a blank list. And if you don't know how to use lists, you can go check out my lists video. I'll leave a link in the description down below. And then we can put for line in f, and then not quotations, but a colon, and then inside we will put new, or not new list, but file list dot append, and then we gotta put line dot strip. So we gotta strip, because normally there'll be a \n, because in our text file here, when we hit enter, that's a new line, so we represent that as a \n. So now we need to print out our new list. So if we print, and then we can say not new list, but actually file list here, and we can save this. So now I'm going to explain our code. So basically here, we're going to open up our file here, and then this is going to read all the lines of our file. And then we're just creating an empty list to store everything from our, like every line from our file. And then we have a for loop that goes through all of our lines and appends them to the file list and takes away any \n or new line representation for Python. We can print out file list. So we should save this. And also, by the way, we need to save our text file here. And then when we run this, it prints out Python programming, fun and easy. So yeah, there is a harder way to do this, but this is the easiest way to read from a text file. And in my next video, I will teach you guys how to write into a text file. So yeah, that's it for today's video. It was kind of short, but yeah. And once again, also, please consider subscribing if you like my content, and I'll see you in the next video.